In this example, I'm asked to compute future value, but I'm also asked to determine what my total deposits are and then how much I'm earning in interest. So it's a three-part problem, but still future value of an annuity. So deposit 325 once per month, that's D, with 3.4% interest compounded monthly. So that gives me R. What is the amount in your account after 4 years? So monthly is my compounding period, and then T is 4 years. I'm going to address the last two questions after we compute our future value. So we're doing D is 325, R 0.034, N is 12 because it's monthly, and then T is 4 years. We're going to put that in our future value of an annuity formula. So that's what this looks like here. And we're going to use PEMDAS. So first, I'm going to take care of these fractions, 0.034 divided by 12. And I want to make sure that I'm writing out as many decimals as I have room for here on this PowerPoint slide, or as you have room for on your paper or scratchwork, whatever. You want to keep it as long as you can until the very, very end. Don't round until you're ready to give your final answer. So next, I'm going to finish off working this parentheses, adding 1 to that decimal expansion. Okay. So next, I'm going to multiply 12 by 4 to get 48 as my exponent. And now I'm going to apply that exponent onto 1.002.8333. And if this video is going faster than you can write, which I'm sure it is, make sure to pause and write down each step so you understand how we're flowing through these computations. So next, I'm going to take the numerator and simplify that. And now that I have a simplified numerator, a simplified denominator, I'm going to take numerator, divide by denominator. So I'll get 325 times 51.339, blah, blah, blah. I'll multiply those two. And again, because this is a dollar amount, I want to make sure that I'm rounding to the nearest cent. So $16,685 with 30 cents. That's how much I'm going to have in an account where I deposit 325 every month. And I'm going to do that for 4 years, and I'm earning 3.4% interest. But I still have two more questions. First of all, how much did I deposit? And the next one, how much will we earn in interest? So I need to take my $16,685 with 30 cents. That's my future value. How much will I deposit? So my total deposits should be the amount per deposit, 325, times the number of times I do that per year, times the number of years. So that's going to be D, N, and T. 325 times 12 times 4. And that gives me $15,600. That's the total amount that I have put into this account of my own money. But I didn't end up with just $15,600. I ended up with a future value of $16,685 with 30 cents. So some of that must have been interest added on. My future value must have been my deposits plus interest. So if I set that up, I can see that whatever is the difference between the 16,685 and 30 and the 15,600 in deposits, that's got to be my interest. So let's solve this equation for I by subtracting 15,600 from both sides. And we'll see that the interest that we earned was $1,085 with 30 cents.